Boss, are you rapping shit, Nick, or bust a bitch kick? You gonna rap a just not up so high, Saint Mike so good, but a buster. Shit freaking high, Saint Mike so high, I could fuck a Hyman. Pussy smoking up they shit, but a bloomin'. High as shit, this girl want me to go see her. But I said Monday, cause he got me all dumb fuck. Shit, bada bang, bada bang. Saint Mike, okay, he's good like he good brains. Ooh, so good, no more insane. Ooh, no more bipolar, no more claiming nothing on Mike shit, cause he was good for what he did, yo. He did it so you get fucking detached away from your family, yo, shit. His family, dog, bitches nigga out, dog. My family got me smoking the weed, dog. But I'm so happy that I don't do no drugs, dog. But bitch, nigga, take some cocaine, shrooms, nigga, and fetty and just sing a fucking long song, yo. Shit, but you can't do the longest shit. I'm fucking dilated, man. Your fucking eyes are gonna go dilate. Your fucking dilate that pussy, nigga. What the fuck dilate, nigga? You can't dilate. You ain't late when you're dying, nigga. You ain't dying when you're early, nigga. We're good, nigga. Saint Mike, we bust the bitch motherfucker cluster. He's okay. He just stutters out his mouth, motherfucker. So you can raps better than this motherfucker shit. Like you busting niggas, huh? Like you bust a wagon hole of wagon wheel, Darius fucker. I'm a motherfucker shit. Freaking listening to your freaking music makes me feel like I'm Gucci in the country to cheese and some freaking dead meat and some fucking moose brains, bitch nigga. You think you saying with the brain and the bust, I bitch motherfucker. Want another butter, bitch motherfucker. Later I'm gonna give you that shit. Get on my face, nigga. Just let me fucking drown in that asshole, nigga, and shit. But you bitch ass pink a lot of shit, nigga, a lot of shit. You can't talk a lot. You fucking say make shit. Bada bang, bada bang, bada bang. Motherfucker, I started saying, nigga, the coronavirus got me fucked up, nigga. I'm on weed, nigga. The weed virus got me fucked up. Not the coronavirus, cause I don't drink corona. I don't fuck with that stupid disease, nigga. I'm on weed, nigga, which hell's everything. Bust my shit like you healing the conjurer. You're actually conjurer. Fucking nasty, motherfucking satanic. Fucking pussy nigga looking ass nigga. But you fucking nigga, you Hollywood too, nigga. Smoke your fucking shit now, shut up. I will God. But I keep yelling at me. Like, I'm saying, Mike, nigga. Somebody's yelling. I get the guy's skills off. This nigga, you want to rap a vision, you a bitch, nigga, but best shit, nigga. Now everybody got me up my dick, yo. Now I'm just say nothing about a bitch, motherfucker. What the fuck you want? I say, Mike, everything, motherfucker. Oh, motherfucker. He'll put you fucking to sleep, little pussy, like a THC, little, in UFC, nigga. Bitch, I forgot about that shit, nigga. I knew that shit too, nigga. Fucking for many years, I know how to fucking whip niggas out like they bitch, nigga. Talk a lot of shit like a talk a lot, nigga. You a fucking crack motherfucker, cool. I'm a fucking hyper. What the fuck you want from me, little buster, bitch, motherfucker? I don't stop fucking talking, little bitch. Shut the fuck up, little kid. You fucking nucky in the kick rock, nigga, kid rock, nigga, rock your fucking sock, nigga, in the mouth, nigga. I don't care about your country ass fucking. I put your picture away cause I fuck show, bro. Fucking how y'all weird like Saint Mike, you know, bitches wanna know me so fucking crazy, like psychopathic when I ain't fucking Satan, this is like psychedelics to come to fuck that and be a delicate little bitch that's like, man, be like a little pelican, like a Saint Mike, nigga, bitch, motherfucker, bomb my shit, high as shit, nigga, fucking shit, nigga, wet. God just told me what I is, nigga, Saint Mike. If you wanna disrespect my fucking life, nigga, fucking tell me my whole story, nigga. Sometimes I feel like I'm just like the fucking, just this fucking, someone pops me, nigga, and I bleed out, nigga, bust my shit, come bleed out, nigga. I fucking love it, nigga. Fucking cut me open, bitch, nigga. I'm a fish fillet you later, bitch ass nigga. Right, Aqua, not gonna Adam and Eve and Saint Michael, the history book is good shit. All the talking brothers are archangels and the angels, nigga. Saint Mike, I'm in the middle of everything. Me and God is just God like, nigga. So you gotta like Mike, nigga. You know, Saint Mike is always talking shit, nigga, but I treat the whole world, nigga. So I guess I'm Saint Mike for that shit. 2 for your fucking weed, nigga. Fucking weed, nigga. I fucking kick you right in your fucking shit, nigga. That's fantasy, bro. Ha! Cause I'm Saint Mike. Nigga, you ain't fucking drag along if you cat along, if you fucking drag your dick along, I can fuck away, nigga. Saint Michael, nigga. Mike does every fucking crazy shit you can fucking think of, pussy. But not that devil worshiping shit. Nope. Saint Mike don't do devil shit. He does the weed and everything else, nigga. He does drugs, everything fucking shit, nigga, kill himself, Nigga, I'm the whole fucking world, pussy. I'm the whole fucking sea, nigga. I'm the solar system, bro. Nigga, solar systematic, bitch, motherfucking learn my mathematics, nigga, sit my mathematics, that's what I do, I'm mathematic, bro. I'm a mathematic, always mad at these motherfucking alcoholics for not giving me no drunk nigga, alcohol nigga shit. Everybody wanna bust they fuck shit, nigga. Head to the toe, to the tippy toe, nigga, tippity toe ho. But you don't fuck with my rap, I don't fuck with your rap, so secondary shit, I'll fucking make your fucking... I'll fix your fucking pussy face, nigga, make it into pap. Smack the fucking smack. You wanna smack your fucking crack along a bitch ass smoker. I'm fucking high, nigga. I know what the fuck I mean to say, bitch. I'm fucking just living the life, nigga. High as shit, starting rapping to you fucking puke. Smell like Duke cat sidewalk or soup. Nigga, I know devil worshiping shit too, nigga. Fuck you, mom. I got to learn it. And St. Mike, nigga, I never learned devil shit, nigga. I'm fucking St. Mike. I keep blowing like the weed, nigga. I'm high as shit like you can't see a C, nigga. Can't see a C when you ain't even a centipede, bitch. Nigga, you just a millicentipede, nigga, meter, bitch, nigga. I'm fucking weak, nigga. Don't bust my rap. Nigga, I know what the fuck I'm rapping, nigga. I'm just trying to get everything out the dictionary, nigga. All the words to tell you about you, nigga. Cause that's rap, right, nigga? Nigga, smoke weed, nigga. Education, nigga. You know my fucking education, nigga. Education, nigga. Learning, nigga. Same fucking thing, nigga. Learn that, nigga. Smoke weed, I'm good, nigga. Learning education as you gotta be, nigga. Smoking no weed, that you see the seed, the fuck, I just keep the fucking dick shit going, nigga. I'm the whole fucking world, nigga. Saint Mike's good for nothing, nigga. Nothing when you fucking want to kill this bitch ass nigga. Mike, nigga, that's me, nigga. What the fuck you want from me, nigga? I'm just fucking living a fucking life. Like, I can't keep this shit Saint Mike. I can keep this fucking shit. Keep going shit like the Kane and the bitch, nigga. Do I keep rapping, nigga? Fuck. I'm so fucking crazy. Like, I bust my fucking preacher too, nigga. Smoke the shit that I weed, though, dude. Kiss the Italian glass, nigga. Kiss my ass, nigga. My black Jamaican Italian ass, nigga. Amen. All in all, you need some Allah.